Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk glow plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition, set the parking brake, pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Remove the engine cover. You can now see the location of the 4 glow plugs. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Golf 6 1.6 TDI battery. Using adjustable pliers, disconnect the glow plug insulator from the glow plug. We advise you to clean around the plug with compressed air. It is important to know that the glow plugs are extremely fragile, and as a result, they often break during removal, particularly when they've never been changed before. If they break, it can be rather problematic since the end remains stuck in the housing. If you decide to change them, we have several tips to maximize your chances of success. Several days before changing the glow plugs, apply lubricating oil to the bottom of each plug. Remove the plugs when the engine is warm and cover in cold spray to remove the plug and potentially unstick it. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, slowly unscrew the plug. Complete the removal using pliers since the access point is very narrow.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and linked in the description. Take the new glow plug. Before putting the new glow plug in, clean around the housing once again. Put the new plug in place and check the box for the recommended tightening torque. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Replace the insulator. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.